welcome to Gordon Guitar Churches here with a cool song called Over. So it's a pretty straightforward song here, verses and choruses. No need for any cape on this one, so let's start right away with this and the chord run over here. The E minor first, we have open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A next, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so we'll start with the strumming pattern first and then just go over the different parts. So grab the E minor, that's the first chord, and one strumming will be down, clap. So very easy there. You go down, clap down, and then a short break, and then comes the final clap. So down, clap. So in a context, it sounds like this with a couple rounds. So let's go over the different parts here, and the verse play, you will play E minor, C, G, and A. That is the chord progression, and you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So let's do that together. E minor, so there you have the verse play, and then finally the chorus play. You will play the same strumming pattern here, and the chord progression will be D, 2 rounds, E minor, 2 rounds, and C, 4 rounds. So let's do that together. D. Yeah, so there you have the chorus play, and it's up to you now to put it all together to build up this song. So there you have all the tools for Churches Over. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.